All right, guy. So thank you for visiting my channel and thank you for watching this video. Uh, I'm going to be showing you how to make your first $400. I'm going to be showing you how to make your first $400 using just watching only this video with only one application. So there is a crypto exchanger with a lot of different projects coming up. So they are about to be launched very soon. The name is Battlestate.ai. So it's look like Binance. So if you have heard about Binance before, it's going to be looking at Binance, and they are giving people free $400 just for downloading their application and sign up. So once you sign up, they're going to be giving you free $400. And how do you get to this? Just go to battlestate.ai. Let's quickly visit their website.
Hi guys, Greg Kononenko here from the Get United Blogger channel.
Excuse me. Okay, so let's quickly visit their website or search on the box battlestate.ai. Okay, so this is where you are going to visit. This is exactly where you are going to visit. Just click on this Battlestate. This is what you are going to click on. Okay, just click on this, or I'll even drop the link. I'll drop the link on my video description. You will see the link on my video description. So just let's quickly go. I've created a video on this project before, but I noticed that a lot of people, they don't take it serious. It's like they don't want to make money. If you actually want to make money, and if you have a positive mindset, because some people, they'll be saying blah blah blah, they'll be saying scammer, all this, that. Don't follow the bandwagon of people who are destined to be poor. Please don't talk like a poor people. If you actually want to make money, money is being made from getting opportunity. Okay, excuse me, let me quickly pause this. All right, if you actually want to make money, please maintain a positive mindset. Those who are multi-millionaire today, those who are multi-billionaire today, they can never become such if they maintain a negative mindset of when you hear thousands of dollars, you will be scared. Your mind will be telling you that it's not possible for you to make that type of money. Please upgrade from that type of negative thinking. There are people with thousands of dollars, there are people with millions of dollars, there are people making millions of dollars every year. So you should join that type of people, and all you need to do right here is just to, once you get into the battlestate.ai website, the next thing you are going to do is just to do what? To click on this. Just click on android.apk if you are downloading from Android, and you can also go to Google Play Store. But to avoid mistake, just follow this step, and boom, you'll be good to go. So once you click on android.apk, it will take you to where you are going to download. You can see download is downloaded. Though I have it already, so I'm not supposed to download it. I just want to show you how to do it. So I've already downloaded this, and I don't need to download it again. So the next thing I will do is to take you straight to my account. So it will take you to this place. Once you get here, you will not see, all you will see is that you will see $0. You will not see $1,600. You will see $0. But what is the thing that you are going to do that will give you your first $400? Just click on this. Is what you are going to do. Let me use my brush. Just click on profile. See, click on profile. You will see my profile. You click on it. Once you click on it, you now click on invitation. Click on this invitation. Click on invitation. Once you click on invitation, click on it. Boom. You are going to use this. If you want to make your first $400, just use this. Use this invitation code. J, capital letter J, M, capital letter F, capital letter P, small letter Z, X, and small letter Z. You now put it here. Just copy this or type it and put it in this box. Once you put it there, boom, it will automatically give you your first $400. You see your first $400 right here. Go back to your home page and you see your 1,000, and you will see your $400. You will see your $400. Don't misquote me, please. You see your $400. So if you now want to compound your income, you want to make up to $1,600, this is where you go. Just click on this invite. Let me quickly show you fast, because I don't want this video to be too long. Just click on this invite. Once you click on this file, this is what I do. I'm showing you what I do. I'm showing you what I did to accumulate my income from $400 to $1,600. This is what I did. Click on that invite. Once you click on invite, it will now take you to here. This is where you will see your own. You will see your own. You will see your own invitation code here. This your invitation code. Just share it to friends and family. You can write an article about it. You can create a video about it. You can post it in your social media and tell people that. You can just say how to earn your first $400. So it's going to, this, once you do this, it's going to give you 400 USDT, which you can convert to Naira. So just share this. Once people begin to use this your code, you also begin to accumulate more money. But you use this first code to generate your own code, and that is how it works. So that's how it works. So, and that's how to do it. Now, assuming you want to withdraw this money, just come here and click on transfer. You see that this money can be converted. Click on transfer. This money can be converted to USDT. You can see this is USDT up here. You can see TRC chain, receiving address USDT. So if you want to withdraw it, this is where you just go to Binance. Assuming I want to withdraw, I'll just go to Binance and put my my USDT wallet address and put it here. You type any amount you want to withdraw. Assuming I want to withdraw 200, you type, the arrival quantity 199 USDT, because they will charge you network fee of 1 USDT. Can you see what I'm doing now? So, and once you put in your username and your password, you enter your wallet address and you click on confirm transfer out. So you will see the money. You can see, please select TRC20 chain, otherwise the asset will not be retrieved. So you just go to your Binance, you go and copy your, okay, this is my Binance. You go there and copy your USDT. Go to wallets and copy your USDT address. Once you copy your USDT address, you take it to that place and boom, you will receive your money. You know how much they are selling USDT now? You know how much? So if you know how much they are selling USDT, you will take this video very serious. Let me show you. Go to P2P and let's see how much they are selling 1 USDT now. Buy, click on sell and see 1 USDT now is 753. So don't dull yourself. You can make your first, just imagine you first of all make your first $400. 753 multiplied by $400. You can withdraw anything if you like. That is a total sum of how much? That is a total sum of 300,000. So if you truly want to make money, you see, first of all you make your 300,000 if you want to withdraw everything. But the reason why I don't withdraw my own money is this, because you know this exchanger, Battlestate.ai, they are going to become like a Binance. So, and I'm thinking on a long term. So I'm not a short term thinker. I'm a long term thinker. I know that because they are going to give you, they are going to give you 20,000 of their coin, which is 20,000 BS coin, and that is equivalent to $400. Because now I have 80,000 coin, and that's why the value of their coin is about $0.02. So that's why I'm having 1,600. Just imagine this their BS coin rise from 0.02 to $1. Do you know how much money I'll be making? That means I'll be having $80,000. So I'm thinking I think like a millionaire, even if I'm not yet a millionaire in dollar. So but I do think in a long time. So some people, they just say, somebody has been asking me on my video that can I withdraw, because immediately you do this thing, you will see your $400, which you can transfer it to, because the money is in USDT. You can see receiving address USDT. You can even say, okay, let me just transfer part of it. But me, I'm thinking on a long time, because I know when Binance came that time, their Binance coin is not even up to, is it up to $5 that time? Is it up to $2? But now the Binance coin is more than $300 now. Yes, Binance coin, you can see BNB. You can see BNB is BNB now. You can see BNB Binance coin. See the price, 307. 307 is 307. Just now imagine that I refuse to sell my 80,000 coin that I have here now. I refuse to sell it, and at the end of the day, their coin now appreciates. Let's say it appreciate to let's just say it appreciate to $80. $80 multiplied by 80,000. Do you know how much money I'll be making? That's why some people just lose opportunity because of instant gratification. You want to make quick money. So a multi-millionaire don't think in that direction. They think in long-term benefit. They think about long-term benefit, not short-term. Who would ever know that Binance coin will rise from nothing when they first launch it? When it was launched, it rise from, it's not even up to $5. That they are even giving some people for free. If you happen to get it at the pre-launch, you can get some of their coin or token for free that time. But now look at the value, $308. So that is how I'm thinking. I'm thinking in the long term. And that is how you should think too. Don't waste time on this. Quickly go. You will see the link. You will see the link to this application. This one singular app. Just sign up the way I taught you on this video, and you are going to make your first $400. No story. Before it is launched. Once it is launched, the price can rise to $20, $50, and you will lose this opportunity. If you don't want to lose this opportunity, you want to make your money, there is no any investment right now. Just go to click on the link, the link on my video description. Click on it. Once you click on it, download the app. After downloading the app, click on my profile and go to, you will see, once you click on my profile, go to invitation. Simple steps. Don't be lazy, please, and just copy this invitation code and put it on your own. Put it here. Once you put it here, it will tell you. Once you put it here, it will show you confirm, and you go back to your account, and you will see $400 here. And I've told you that if you want to accumulate your money, just click on invite, pick your invitation code. You will see your own invitation. This is my own invitation code. But once you sign up, you follow the step, copy my own invitation and put it, and you see your money, and you click on invite, you will see your own invitation code, which you can share to friends and family, and you begin to accumulate as much money as possible. Don't waste time on this, please. Please don't waste time on this. Don't waste time on it. Thank you for watching this video. I'm so glad. So if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, smash the bell notification. Whenever I create another powerful, informative, and money making video like this, you are going to be notified by YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.